All right, gang, so this is Teak 4. Moving on. Hopefully you've already done Teak 2 and Teak 3, and now you're ready for 4. So here we go. Let me get my marker. Draw an example of a weak negative correlation. Negative correlation is going to go down. Weak means they're spread apart. So we're going to draw a correlation going down, and it'll look something like that. That's a weak correlation. They're spread out. Okay. Draw an example of a strong positive correlation. So a positive correlation is going to go up. Strong means it's virtually in a straight line, and it's positive. I could have a few outliers if I want to do something like that. Strong positive. There we go. All right, the table below shows the number of hours played on Black Ops 3 by students during their summer and the students' grade they received on the following semester in Algebra 1. All right, find the equation for the line of best fit. If I tell you to find an equation, that means an equation is y equals something. So when you tell me the line of best fit, don't just put a number down there. It has to be a line. Y equals mx plus b. All right, I'm going to take my calculator because I know some of you are doing this at home. Some of you may be doing it in the class. I'm going to turn on my calculator. I'm going to go to Stat, Edit. I'm going to go up to the top, hit Clear a couple of times to clear out all that mess I had in from the other problem. Here we go. So going across right here where it has zeros. 0, enter, 5, enter, 7, enter, 10, enter, 13, enter, 14, enter, 15, enter, 17, enter, 19, 20, and 22. Okay, now I'm going to go over to the other side, and I need to enter this. 92, 90, 91, 85, 86, 83, 70, 72, 69, 68, and 70. Okay, all data is entered. Give me just a second to do that too. All right, line of best fit. So we're going to go to Stat, Calculate. Calculate a linear regression. Enter, 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 enter. All right, so there it is. Line of best fit is going to be y equals negative 1 point, always go out 4, 3042 x plus 96.4732. Now, this 2 right here, I could have put a 3. I could have rounded up because that 6 right there would round up. If you'd rather me put a 3 right there, some of you may be like, no, it's supposed to be a 3. All right, there we go. There's my line of best fit. All right. Use your equation to predict the student's grade who played 9 hours. So 9 hours is going to be somewhere in between here, right? So maybe like, I don't know, 90. It'd probably be a little bit less than this, a little bit more than that. All right, but how do I do that? So remember, go back to Stat, Calculate, number 4. And I need to store this. So remember, you can hit alpha y equals, just like you're going to put a fraction in. Y vars is where we want to go, though. We want to store it right there in y1. So that way, when I go back up here to y equals, it's all stored. Let me get that other one out of there. Okay. So I want to know when I have it, when 9 hours, what do I get? So second table. Oh, I didn't get my second in there. Sorry. There we go. I want to go down. If x is 9, what should I get? Ooh, 84.7. That's a lot lower than I thought. 84.7348. Or 84.85. Yikes, that's not very good. All right. Let me move this down and over a little bit. All right. Oh, that's up high one more. Okay, here we go. The table below shows the number of hours spent shopping by parents at the mall for Christmas and the number of gifts the children received. Find the equation for the line of best fit. Then use your equation to predict the number of gifts a parent who spent 5 hours at the mall would receive. 5 hours, if I'm looking at that, probably between 8 and 9 presents. So we're going to take this, put it into our calculator, and here we go. So Stat, Edit. Let me go up and clear all this out. All right, so 0, 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3, 3.5, 4, 4.5, and 5.5. Oh. Okay, enter. There we go. 0 is 0. If they didn't go to them all, nobody got any presents. 3, 4, 6, 5, 8, 5, 10, 8, and 11. All right, I got it all in there. So let's do, oh, I'm sorry, not the line of best fit. We're doing the correlation coefficient. So if I go to stats, and you may have already seen what I saw earlier, but I'm going to go ahead and show you. I can't see the correlation coefficient. What did I forget to do? Remember, you have to do mode, and you have to go down where you see that statistics, stat diagnostics. See, mine's on off. So let's go down and turn that on for us. Okay, now it's on. See, it's blinking on the on. So I'm going to go to stat, calculate number 4. I'm going to go ahead and store it right there. Alpha y equals. Come over here to the y bars. I want to store it so that I can see that y1 if I have to graph it. There it is. There's my correlation. What is the correlation coefficient? 0.9186. 9186. What's the line of best fit? Okay, so let's go. Oh, we can already write it. Y equals line. That's a y equals 1.4 decimals. 8146x plus 1.009. I'm going to round that 7 up to an 8. There it is. All right, very good. Okay, during the cold months, the owner at a ski resort studied the monthly sales figures for his hot chocolate sales, and he notices a positive correlation to the number of broken legs from falls. He is horrified. He decides to immediately close down his ski resort. Do you agree with his decision? All right, so here we go. He's got this ski resort. He's selling a lot of hot chocolate. Hot chocolate sales are going up. But he's also noticing the more hot chocolate he sells, the more broken bones. Is there a positive correlation? Yes. It's definitely going up. But the hot chocolate is not causing the broken bones. Now, I'm just going to kind of talk you through it. I'm not going to write it off. So the answer is no. I don't agree with them. So here's what is happening. More people are skiing. If more people ski, then you're going to have more broke bones. You have more chances of people to get a broke bone. So the hot chocolate is not causing the broken bones. The excess skiers, there's more people skiing, so your chances are higher that you're going to have a broke bone. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. That was the correlation coefficient. Don't you wish there were more of those on the test because they're so easy?